The bag that my little potatoes came in says that 5 or 6 of these little potatoes have no sodium. I'm going to cut them and put them in my casserole dish. It's got 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil for high heat cooking, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 23 milligrams of sodium, and a sprinkle of pepper. I'm just going to cut these, throw them in my casserole dish, and then toss them a little bit, get them nice and covered. I'm going to cut them in half. Potatoes are not peeled, just cut and put in there. I want the color, and I want the peel. Lots of texture. 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe. Potatoes are getting a little bit soft. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. My package says this 1 pound has got 280 milligrams of sodium. That in here, it's all chopped up. Stir it in with those potatoes. Get covered. Some of that nice garlic mixture. A little crunchies of garlic on the bottom. Getting on this. Now, it's going to go back in the oven, uncovered, at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to check it. After 20 minutes, I wanted my chicken a little bit browner. Stirred it up. Put it back in the oven for, I think about 7 minutes. And it's perfect. I want to put some cheese on the top. At my grocery store, Fry's has a mozzarella chub. It's down on the bottom. It's a soft chub. 30 milligrams of sodium per ounce. I have 3 ounces shredded, but when you shred cheese, you need to keep it separated, because when you buy shredded cheese, it has a coating on it to keep it from lumping. We didn't put a coating on this, so it would lump. Our cheese is going to go right on the top. You can use what cheese you like. Whatever your sodium allowance for the day will let you use. Swiss, I've used pepper jack, provolone. Depends on how much sodium you've got for the day. This cheese is going to add 90 milligrams. It's going to go back in my oven just long enough to melt the cheese. Well, my daughter and her husband just came in, and she said, "Oh, Mom, I like it better with Swiss." Oh, well, today she gets mozzarella. The whole pan has got 393 milligrams of sodium. Well, I think we're going to get more than 4 servings, but I'm going to say 4. 99 milligrams. And look at this. Ooh, isn't that nice? Really pretty. Love those different colors of potatoes in there. Enjoy. your dinner, no matter what kind of cheese you put on it.